I'd say that one of the things that's been the most unexpected about owning this bike, and I suppose in a pleasant way, is what a visceral response that it seems to evoke with people. Little children that will press their nose against the glass in the car next to me, looking at me like I'm some sort of superhero, to people that seem to be speeding up and try to get away from me, people that seem to speed up because it's almost like the motorcycle's inciting them somehow, or they're trying to race me. But it's as though one way or the other, it's emotional.